So hi guys, my name is Mikey Pascual and I'm here today to present to you our product, which is Praesibank, a SOS device for natural disasters. So let's get started. So what is Praesibank? Praesibank is a power bank with a solar cells, flashlight, whistle, USB Type A and micro USB Type B. What's the meaning of USB Type A and micro USB Type B? So I'll show you something. This is a power bank, and this is the USB type ports. This is the Type A and the micro Type B. So, what's the difference of the power bank? I mean, what's the difference of this power bank among the typical power bank that we see in the market these past few years? So, our power bank is a all-in-one device for emergency. It has let me show you a design of it. Our power bank here, as you can see, this is the solar cells attached in the power bank. It has the flashlight, the detachable whistle, and here are the ports. As you can see here, this is the indicator of how long will the power bank will live. I mean, the thing that you charge. So, it's an all-in-one device for emergency. The difference also of our power bank is that it can be charged by solar panel and electrical. So, there are two ways of charging our power bank. The reason why we've thought this because we wanted to create a power bank that could help you in the times when you're in need. For example, like you're in a calamity that happened in our country, which is the Philippines, and there's no electricity and we need to charge our gadgets. We thought of creating a power bank that could be charged through solar cells. So as you can see, the maximum capacity of our power bank is 10,000 mAh. It is compatible with devices that has micro USB Type B and USB Type A. And this one, I hope I hope it could help a lot of people and it could be implemented. I hope you guys would want to buy our product, and that's it. Thank you very much.